to find 17.5% of 480? Let's see. First of all, we can find 10% of 480. 10% of 480 is 48. To find 10%, you simply remove the 0 at the end. That will give you the 10% of that number. Now, we will find 5% of 480. 10% of 480 is 48. So 5% is nothing but half of 10%. So 5% will be half of 48. That is 24, right? Now, we can find 2.5% of 480. What is 2.5%? 2.5% is half of 5%, correct? 2.5% is half of 5%. So 2.5% of 480 will be half of 24, that is 12. So what will happen if we add 10%, 5% and 2.5%? If we add them up, we will get 17.5% of 480, correct? Similarly, if we add 48, 24 and 12, this will give us 84, correct? So that means 17.5% of 480 is nothing but 84.
Ma'am, what do you think about?
So yes, I will say that it's very good, and I can see a lot of change in Sohil's grades in the school, and also in the competitive exams. Before, when there was any exam in the, I was always worried that he will get selected for the scoring team or not. But now he got perfect scores for that exam. So 2-3 times he got perfect score, and now I'm sure that I'm not worried about the exam because I know that he will get selected, and he made it.
Okay.
Tell me about your experience. Yeah.
Well, when I was with the old tutor, she didn't really give me any methods or anything. She just told me the answer if I didn't know. Whereas I think Sir Piyush has been helping me a lot. He's given me methods that I can actually remember, and when I'm usually if I'm learning something new at school, or we're learning factors at school now, but Piyush has taught me a way of a method of learning it. So it's making it a lot easier at school. That's something I really value.
Okay.
I
you
think
feel
that's
you're prepared in advance?
Yes.